everybody in the YouTube community land, so-called whatever. My name is Mark, and I would like to welcome you to this episode of Wyoming Country Living. And so we're going to get right into it as soon as I find out where my damn blue ball went to. I can't seem to find it. Oh crap, it's on my head. I forgot I put it there. Anyway, right after this, we'll get into it. Welcome back. So, as I promised you in the last video, we're going to put this back in, and I told you I'd find something else to put the funnel back in the hole. We're going to put the funnel back in the hole, people, okay? Okay. You all got that? So, today, we are going to try flex seal glue and see if we can get it to seal. And like I said, that silicone did not stick very well in the bottom. And if that don't work, we're going to try their tape. Yay! So, let's have a little enjoyment and a little fun with this today, so I'm not just boring you out of your minds. Don't want to do that. So, first off, we shall cut this down just a little bit. Down. Because I think it is too tall. Actually, I do. I really do think it's too tall. So we're going to go ahead and heat the blade. Heat the blade, guys. Heat the blade. Don't forget to heat the blade. You have to heat your blade, or it will not cut like butter. I know, I'm a little wacky today, yeah. So I'm going to try to tip the phone down here in a minute so you can see what's going on. As you see, I'm heating the blade with a stupid lighter to burn my hand again. Yay. Fun. Do not try this at home, whatever you do. Jeez. Oh, crap. We'll do it this way. It's more fun. It's a lot. So, and after we're done with this, I got a upcoming video that I'm going to be working on. A couple that I actually thought of doing for my channel. And I'd like to know your opinion, so please comment and let me know what you think. If it's going to be, if you think I should do it, or maybe I shouldn't do it. Tell nobody I stuttered. Please. But, back to what I was saying. I want to do a road trip video because I have to run and get some stuff from where I moved to and get it packed and brought over. And then after that, on the way over or on the way back, I thought we'd stop and do just a little Wyoming prospecting, you know. See how that works out. Maybe a little fishing. We'll see. I'm going to give you a heads up on the next one. I don't know if it's going to be another project yet, or I'm trying to talk to my son. What I tell you, burn your damn hand. I'm going to talk to my son-in-law about doing a video on his woodworking stuff that he's got going on. He builds furniture and stuff. And maybe you guys would like to see that as part of the show, or even see more animals in my show, or more about what I do, what I like to do. Just pop down in those old comments down there. Ooh, that's hot. I'm going to try to put you down here a little bit, guys. Oh, crap. Let's try to cut some of this off here. I don't think it's going to be hot enough. Maybe. Try to keep it even. Probably won't know my luck. Try to do it without cutting myself. Then I just want to take a little off. It looks a little too tall. If I don't fudge her up, then it's going to be out of whack a little bit, guys. Just a tad bit here. Should have drew a line. Don't feel like it. Oh well, huh? So yeah, let me know what you think. Should I do... I just want to know your opinion. Should I do it or not? The videos that I plan. Should I do the road trip video? A little prospect, a little fishing going on, you know. A little flirting with the fish. Seeing if we can actually find anything here in Wyoming. There is, but it's just really... Ooh, let's chill here, dude. Chill. Yeah, back to whatever. I swear I dropped more stuff than Carter's got oats. I'm serious. I'm just kind of a klutz, I guess. Just a klutz. No, I just thought I'd make it a little bit fun. Try to make it a little bit funner today, a little goofy. It won't work. I can't get it open. I hate when things don't want to cooperate. Cooperation is much better than being weird like I am right about now. Hey, I got it open finally. See? It's open. Let's put the dang blade back in. maybe I'll just... nah, heck with it. Leave it where it's at. I haven't got it. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Where's my manners? Let's see if the dang blade will stay in place. I can't hear it because it's just like burning my darn finger. Darn it. Seems to be cutting okay anyway without heating it. Unlike last time, I thought heating it would help. Voila, guys! And there she is. She's not pretty, she's not cute or anything else, but maybe we just try to trim her off just a little bit without cutting my damn thumb. Dum 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 dum. Oh, that was just too close. Ooh. We're gonna get myself in trouble doing that. I don't know about hat. I got the bad habit of looking at the screen instead of looking at you guys, trying to keep eye contact. But I don't want to cut my finger off. So I'm trying to pay attention to this crap. Well, I think I fudged her up a little bit there, which don't really matter to me because I'm going to kind of melt that top off later, guys. Well, we're going to try the flex glue. Don't worry, I called and got permission to use their product to make sure it was okay, so I didn't get any copyrights or anything else slammed onto my YouTube channel. So you just all hang in there, it's all okay. And like I said, I got the flex tape, yeah. We'll give it a try. I've used flex still. Actually, not to promote them, but it's going to anyway. It works good. It actually does the job it's supposed to do. And so, what I'm thinking I'll do is go ahead and put a little of this. I gotta fix something first, but we're gonna put a little flex glue right down here, guys. Right down here on this edge. You see this edge? Y'all better see this edge, because I'm pretty blind sometimes. So, we're gonna clean it up, put a little flex glue there, shove that right on in there and stick it to there. And then we'll go inside and run that glue around the edge in here. Get it a stick so she don't leak. There we go again. Such a good call. Well, you get the point. Clean her off a little bit. Get all that crap out of my way. I'm going to clean this crud off inside this dirt. Oh, yeah, after I'm done with this little project right here, we will test it after it dries. We'll see what happens after that, and then for the next part of my little project in Wyoming country living, I don't know what they're really called, but I took a shop back in a bucket and made me a little, well, not a shop back in a bucket, but you know, you get it, a leaf blower, blow the leaves around, and a bucket, and the lid. And I put it together last year. I didn't think about video on it because I didn't think it'd work out anyway, but it actually turned out, and for what I did, it turned out really well. It will suck up stones about that big in size with no problem at all. It's got a lot of power to it. So let's get into, where was I? Oh, I wanted to do one other thing before I got into that, adding the flex glue. So let's put the lid on the glue so it does not dry up on me. Down on this, there's just a little bit of a ridge on one side or the other. I know it's not a perfect cut. Well, there it is. We're going to get this ridge out of the way. Sorry about the background noise. I have animals. Excuse me for 1 second, guys. I will return in just one moment. Yeah, the wife needed me once again. Fun, fun, fun. Marriage. What a joy. It's lovely. So let's go ahead and add the flex glue on it. Should I stick my finger to it? Anybody dare me to see if I can get it off in 10 minutes? Nah, I think I'll pass. You all see that, right? Just squeeze her out. Well. We'll get a nice little bead in there. Well, this stuff is hard to squeeze out. This is good. I know it's going to be a little bit longer video. So let's hope we can keep your attention today. Keep your attention? Yeah. Keep you wanting to come back, maybe? Because, to be honest with you, oh, it's already drying up. That's a problem. That's not good. We can't have that. Drying up before it gets out of the bottle. That's not what I want. I'm going to punch that open somehow. Well, let's get that on there. It's like wanting to dry now. Hold it down. I can't see anybody. Where y'all at? I don't have to drive a nail down in there to just get it come out. It's, as you push it out, it just wants to seal up. Let's see, let that dry a moment. Let me grab a nail, guys. Something. That's not a nail, but it's my screwdriver. That stuff is quick to seal, quick to dry. It doesn't waste no time drying, guys. That's not good. Stop it! Well, if I can't get it out of the tube that way, I'll just use the screwdriver. Oh, there it comes. Much easier that time. Well, I thought about grabbing there for it to seal itself, but I thought maybe, well, it might not work, so why not give this a shot? I don't claim to be perfect at anything. Matter of fact, that wouldn't be me if I was perfect at everything. I'm only doing this for fun and try to give you guys something to enjoy instead of these boring old how to do things. But yeah, how to do is okay. I guess today we're just going to be a little goofy about it. And then after we're done here, we can do what it is. I just figured that flex glue might hold a lot better. So, anyway, probably it's going to be this weekend. Then I'm going to head down across the Bighorns over to where I used to live. Which is about a 2-hour trip from where I live now. Still in Wyoming. The great state of Wyoming. I know it don't look pretty, and I really don't have a... I don't know, I'm not a perfectionist, guys. Not a perfectionist at all. Because if I was a perfectionist, this would look pretty. Yes, it would. Pretty, pretty, pretty. We don't want it, but I don't care if it's pretty. I want it to look pretty. And don't ask me what I'm on because I'm not really on nothing, just on life today. What the heck? There's something on my head, guys. I can't. What is it? Well, it's not on that side anymore. What? Somebody please tell me what's on my head. Really? Oh, it's my hat. Oh, sorry. I forgot I put it that way. Maybe we ought to put it... This... Hold on, let's see. I don't know, I gotta look into the frame here a minute. Use it as a mirror, let's see. Maybe... Yeah, how about this way? It'll look much better this way, guys. There we go. There, it looks so much better that way. Oh, I look so much better, yeah. I'm so beautiful. I'm so awesome. Oh, now I'm being concealed. That's just the way a hat should be worn. The proper way in your hat wearing. Either like, this is the wrong way. No. No, this is always the wrong way. Either wear it up this way, like I always do going out. Or wear it cockeyed way up here, a little higher. Up there maybe, you see? Or over here once in a while, just bend me. That's the proper way. Never this way. Or even take it all the way back here and wear it. That's the proper way to wear a hat. Now don't tell me any different. That's the proper way to wear your cap. Okay? Or even back here. Just like that. So that is the proper way there too. Everything else is wrong. Well, the first one's wrong. Everything else is right. Understand me? Everything else is right. Now you gotta listen to me, Sonny, because I know what I'm talking about here. Everything else is right. Instead of boring you with the stupid ass how to do thing, sorry, take the ass out of the ass. And you just got an animal, a jackass like I'm being right now. Just an animal, that's all the word ass really comes from anyway. I'm being an ass. Anyway, let's get back to the boring part of the video. Oh, I think she's sealing up on me again. Let's see, how long does this take to dry if I didn't got it on my darn hands? Proper way to wear a cap again. Put the lid on it so it don't dry on me. Flex Seal Glue. Is it crystal clear sugar something? Oh, yeah, clear sugar. Sorry, I can't read with the crap, so bear with me. Sugar rubbery, waterproof, something other than that bounty bouncing seal rub, whatever, crazy. Yeah, la ti dee 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 da da da. Y'all get the point. So what? Let's see. Raise. Let's try to wash it out. We're looking to see how long it takes to dry. Ooh. It will not fully, well, firm pressure is about 10 seconds long. Yep. So on, and grabs and takes, well, I'm sorry, I suck at reading, I do, I'm really bad. And also, I'm really sucky at memory problems, so it takes me a while to figure things out in a video, to get a video done for you, okay? I'm gonna publish a item. So, how we can do the pledge of allegiance to the flag part. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America. Damn it, I forgot the rest. I'll apologize, Joe Biden. That's what I'm doing. Sorry guys, I had to do that. Anyway, let's get back to the project in hand. I know, I am being one weird person today. Normally I am not like this. I'm a very serious person, but you know what? Today I thought, why not I just go ahead and be a goofy old man in these goofy little videos that may or may not get anywhere. Who knows? We'll see, huh? This goofy old man is not going to give up. I know, I'm rambling on again. I always ramble on. Y'all mind if I go ahead and sit and let this dry and grab a smoke, and we shall return in about, I guess, let's see, in about 15 minutes to see if it's dried on the bottom. If it has, according to this, it takes 24 hours, but, or whatever. Let's see, once again, let's look again. Yeah, about 24 to 8 hours to actually dry solid. So, hey, what's up, guys? So I came back in my room, check pan, right. Yeah, so it has dried. It's been about 4 hours. I told you 15 minutes that we'd come back to it, but, you know, I got kind of tied up on things. So, anyways, we are going to do another video on this next Wednesday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future videos. Thank you very much, and I hope you come again.